Misfire demonstration running on 1 magneto, number 6. And number 6 totally shuts down. And I bring it back to life by putting the other one back on.
So because that plug was misbehaving, we're gonna remove them and figure out what's going on. Well, can't see anything remarkable about the plug, so we'll go ahead and change it anyway. Also works. Alright, so using a contact cleaner, which is basically isopentane, and we're just going to clean up the spring on this little fella here, remove any carbon that could be causing an issue with the new plug. Probably shouldn't be using a microfiber cloth on this, but you know what, we do what we have to do. So just rub it with your fingers, get off any stuff that remains. In the absence of a wire brush, that's pretty much good enough there. Now it's really good. Alright, cool. So we use anti-seize thread lubricant so we can get the plug off at a later time. We want to leave the top rung here totally on the anti-seize, otherwise it'll ground out the electrode and the plug won't work. So, and always make sure you use a new spark plug gasket when you're putting in a plug, unless you're annealing an existing plug. Foot-pounds. Come on. Get on that. There you go. Now we're going to wait for this guy to pop, not once, not twice, but 3 times. Okay, that's torqued on. Now our handy-dandy ignition lead. Stick that guy back on too, and our lead wrench is very handy for getting in those little nooks and crannies that are annoying. And annoying usually qualifies as most things aviation related. Get that nut out of it. But as usual, stick it on finger tight first, and then work it down with the tools. Alright, so our little lead wrench, stick on the nut, and then we have another wrench to hold our B nut in place as we twist. So we're not twisting up our ignition lead in the process. Alright, we're done. Then we're all buttoned up and good to go. Took about 10 minutes.
So the good news, everything works. We'll test out number 6 again. Looks great. So bad plug, 10-minute change job, and we're back on the road. So good morning, Atlanta.